story writer because he used to write many parts, part 1, part 2, like that. He used to write many books. So on that same title, okay. And um, and uh, he also glorified the British Empire and the soldiers, and through his writings in Plain Tales from the Hills and the Soldiers 3 and Barrack Room Ballads. I'll show you the books also. So he has written, he was a British Empire. British Empire is nothing but the empire is nothing but the political rules. What are the rules? They have the rules, no? That particular king will be having the rules, no? That is called empire. So here the British Empire, their rules. See here. The barrack room, the barrack room ballad. See how many books he is there. So it is like he has written as a parts. So one book. So barrack room ballads, he has written many books. See. So that is the reason he has named as not only one. This one I'll show you the soldier tree. Okay, Soldier's Tree and the Plain Tales from the Hills. All these books he has written in a so many books he has written. See here, Soldier's Tree. Can you see how many? See so many books he has written. Okay, these are the books. Everything related to the Soldier's Tree. 1894, the famous book called The Jungle Book was published. Okay, the Jungle Book was published in the year 1894, which was the famous book, and it became a children's classic all over the world. So that is the reason Rudyard Kipling was very famous in writing the books like this, Cartoon Networks. Okay, this is all about the writer. Let's get into the chapter. So how the camel got his hump. What do you mean by hump? Hump is nothing but the camel used to have something at his back. No, this is called hump. Okay, here this chapter begins like this. So there is a desert. Okay, so there is a desert. It is a beginning of the new world. Okay, where the animals used to work for a man. So animals here we have horse, dog, ox, camel. Okay, and this is called hump. Okay, so these are the animals who live in a desert, and these are the only three animals which work for the man. Whereas the camel is a very lazy animal which doesn't want to work. So what it does is it just sits in the howling desert at the side, and it keeps on chewing something like prickles and thorns or sticks. It keeps eating something, chewing something, but it doesn't want to work. Recently, the horse came to him on Monday morning with a saddle on his back and said, "Camel, oh camel, come out and let's go and work." Saddle, prickle. Okay. So, saddle is nothing but a horse comes with the saddle. I'll show you the picture of saddle. Okay, that is called for the support. Okay, for the support, it has a saddle at his back. So he comes with the saddle and he says,